This is Leslie coming to you live from Chambers Landing Bar and Pier here in beautiful West Shore, Lake Tahoe. I hope everyone is doing well. As you can see, the lake is behind me.
I was telling Em and George about that too.
While we wait for others to join us, please feel free to share with us where you are watching from. And weather's like where you are. From what I understand, in Southern California, it's really hot right now, but luckily here in Tahoe, it's beautiful, and it's like, I don't know, about 75. And of course, as always, we love likes, hearts, and wow. So keep those coming, and we don't always know who's watching, so please feel free to comment and say hello or ask a question or comments, because I am here to help answer any question or concern that you might have. Today's topic are 15 simple packing and moving tips, and so we'll be going through that, but before we do, again, just a friendly reminder that you can Facebook page and subscribe to a variety of different emails and newsletters that you can get on a monthly or weekly basis. We have the monthly newsletter, as well as the Orange County Housing Update, and we have the weekly blog posts, as well as the buyer and or seller guidebook. So feel free to sign up for those at any point. Simply look left on our Facebook page and you will see the options to subscribe. So please do subscribe. I hope you can all hear me okay. I'm not sure how great the audio sounds, but we'll get through this. And as always, as I mentioned, this is an episode of Love Where You Live, Give Where You Love, and that is our motto here at the Swan Team, because we believe in giving back, and that means that for every property that we help you buy or sell, we will donate $500 to the school of your choice. Hi, Alec. Hi, Phil. Thanks so much for joining us today. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I am coming to you live from Chambers Landing Bar and Pier. All of these people are enjoying some Chambers punch right now. I maybe have had about half of one right now, so I am feeling nice and relaxed, and I'm going to get through these fun 15 moving and packing tips. So I'm going to go through them, but there is more detail on them, of which you can get access to that blog post by clicking in the description on the link there, or of course you can always go to our website, www.theswanteamoc.com, and look up to your top right and you will see blog, and that is where you will click to get access. So hi Alexis, thanks so much for joining. You just joined in time to hear our 15 simple moving and packing tips. So the first simple moving and packing tip is to get rid of unused and unnecessary items. Basically, look at moving as a time to purge anything that you haven't worn in 5 to 10 years, maybe even 2 to 3 years, or things that seemed valuable to you a few years ago and no longer are. But again, get rid of things, trash them, donate, or recycle, because no need to bring anything that you don't want into your new home. The second one is to pack items systematically. Start with things that are easy to pack that you won't need to have any access to, for example, off-season clothing. Now, of course, in Southern California, we don't really have seasons all that much. If it's summer and you have ski clothes, then ski clothes would be a great thing to pack first, because you won't need them. Then a third tip is to research professional moving companies. I highly recommend contacting at least 2 to 3 companies and getting pricing quotes. I know the last time we moved, we actually received 3 different quotes, and I was shocked at how different they were for their same services. And when you're asking for the same services and you have somebody that's at a really high price, someone who's at a really low price, but then there's someone in between, I highly recommend going with the person that's somewhere in between, because hopefully that is where it's balanced. Of course, if you have any referrals or recommendations from any other from friends or family for moving companies, that's always a great thing to look for as well. The fourth tip is, well, first of all, you need to create kind of a master to-do list in packing and moving. And once you create that list, you need to add it to your calendar. Whether you like to visually see a calendar in front of you, or you just simply add it to your phone app, your calendar app, so that you can get reminders on things that need to be completed on a daily basis, or so you can look ahead. It's key to add those to your calendar, those to-do items, so that you can make sure you accomplish all the things and to-dos that you need to get done. And one key about that to-do list is stop buying groceries a week before moving, because unfortunately you might then have too much produce or things that might go bad, and that you have to potentially transport in coolers and stuff like that. So stop shopping the week after or week before moving. If you have to eat out a few nights before moving, that's totally okay. And then it's a good idea to actually defrost your refrigerator a day before, instead of just unplugging it the day of moving. The fifth tip is to organize items by category, not by room. This way, if you have certain items, and maybe they're all over in different rooms, but maybe in your new house you're going to put them in different places. And of course, you can take organizing to a whole new level when you box things. If you are heavily into organization, you can number your boxes, and you can actually you can create the number. Write the number of the box on the box, and then create a separate master list that indicates all of the items that are in the box. If you're that organized, but I'm not that organized. I like to actually just write on the box what is in the box, so that when I need to go looking for it, I can just box. But again, if I had an easy, breezy Excel spreadsheet, maybe that would make my life easier. The sixth tip is to pack important papers and moving docs separately. I highly recommend actually keeping those in the file folder or in a folder to keep in your car, so that they are, again, very easy to access. Let's see. The seventh tip is to grab extra packing and moving supplies. You never know at the end when you might need some extra packing supplies, so it's important to always have those on hand. The eighth tip is one that I like to use quite often, even just not when I'm packing or moving, but just in everyday life, is to use laundry baskets, trash bins, and even suitcases as your bags. Suitcases are a great way to pack your clothes, and to make sure that they stay clean and nice. I mean, after all, you do pack them in that for a trip, right? And then even laundry baskets too. Again, you fold your clothes, so that's always a great way to pack and store items from your house, or maybe even your laundry room if it is your laundry basket. Let's see. The ninth tip is to protect fragile items with linens and clothing, not necessarily bubble wrap. I know bubble wrap can be very expensive, especially if you're buying it for every single plate or dish in your kitchen. So instead, if you use the towels, the kitchen towels that you have in your kitchen, that can save you some money and provide you just as much protection for those valuable items. Number 10 is, as you disassemble furniture and electronics, keep the hardware and cords in a bag. And I highly recommend either rubber banding or taping those specific items to those cords or parts to that specific furniture piece or electronics. If you can label them, all the better. Because again, it always can become a challenge when they aren't labeled and you're attempting to plug them in off of memory. Because these days there are so many cords that need to go into, whether it's your receiver, your TV, whatever at home. It's nice when you have instructions that are already on the cords. Let's see, number 11 is to actually use egg cartons to put your jewelry in. This way your necklaces can stay separate you don't have to worry about a jumbled mess of necklace chains or anything like that. So, and look at the fun, slow people that we travel with that like to go slow in the back of the video. It's always fun for something like that. And luckily, we're already on tip 12, which is very exciting. Tip 12, which is to place cotton balls and makeup compacts so that your doesn't break. The 13th is to use rubber bands, actually, to keep your pots and pans and lids all together so that you don't lose them or they don't separate from each other. The 14th tip is to set aside a clear plastic box with things that you'll need right away. So whether it's toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies, oftentimes those are the things that you need to reference quickly or get to quickly. And then the last 15th tip that I can't stress enough because I think it's wonderful to have clean sheets move into your home. Because one thing, once at the end of the day, when the moving company or you've moved all your furniture into your new home, is you don't want to have to unpack and find the sheets and then make your bed. Instead, if you pack your clean sheets in your dryer, then all you have to do is turn it on and fluff the sheets and make your bed, and you can go to bed and you can worry about unpacking all those wonderful boxes the next day. So, having said all that, those are the wonderful 15 moving and packing tips that I have for you today. As I mentioned, they are all accessible to you on the blog that you can access from the link in the description of this post, as well as on our website, www.theswanteamoc.com. Of course, if you ever have any specific questions, you can always call us at 949-444-1601. You can always email us any question that you might have as well at info@theswanteamoc.com. And just because they don't want to be left out, I want to make sure that you see our lovely husband, Dave, and Julie, who we are traveling with. And then I will just kind of give you a quick pan around of beautiful Lake Tahoe and let you know that that's why I'm signing off now. So everyone have a great day. And as always, remember, love where you live, give where you love, and contact us again if you have any questions or any suggestions as well. And that's Jonathan. So take care, everyone. Have a great day and catch us next week at a regularly scheduled time, 4 p.m. for an all new episode of Love Where You Live, Give Where You Love. Take care.
Watch Leslie.